Hello guys, muni ato ang Ark of Covenant na Ark of Covenant na to in the Old Testament, in the Bible. Muna siya guys, Ark of Covenant there muna siya in the Old Testament. Muna ang gisudlan sa book Ten Commandments. Mag-uban pa nga mga itawag nga mga scroll. Same time guys, this is the Old Testament covenant and we are the new covenant people of Christ, to those people believe in Christ. And thank you, salamat ani na niabot ra gid ni, og God bless, salamat.